I'm Bolster. Today I'm going to be replacing the battery on my Macbook Pro 2011. Now this is a very simple procedure. You can do this yourself at home. Very, very simple. Just follow me. Okay, so here I have my battery I ordered online, which is an A1322. The screwdriver fittings you will need in particular are Phillips 00 and Y0. Just to note, this particular laptop has a dead battery in my expert opinion, and you can see on the charger here that it does not go orange. It should go orange when it is charging, but it's not. The battery is fully depleted. First things first, let's remove the charger from the laptop. And then we can begin to remove the screws from the underside of the laptop. And the next one. There we go. Continuing along, just remove all of the screws. And remove the lid. As you can see, this battery's knackered. Completely knackered. We're going to take our Y0 screwdriver and take this bad boy out. Let's transfer the new battery to the machine. Nice, like a glove. Secure your screws. There we go. And the next one. In she goes. Good. Such an easy, delightful job. And replace the charger. Good. Is that turning orange? Also, if you listen carefully, you can hear a little beeping. Listen carefully. Doesn't sound good to me. No, not to panic, not to panic. Minor problem. We can fix this. I have my expertise. Let's try switching it on. Interesting. Nothing. Not a sausage. Okay, not to worry. I know a secret combo you can use for times like this. Here's what we need to press. Shift, Control, Option, and power on. Oh, nice. My secret combo worked. Brilliant. I can see the light's still not orange, but I'll deal with that in a minute. Let's get to the business. Well, I guess that concludes the tutorial. As you can see, the battery's working, the machine is powered on, no problems. I had to use a secret combo, but not a problem there. Well, yeah, I guess that concludes it. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that, actually. Yeah, we need to fix the orange light on the power charger. I wonder what's going on here. I've logged in. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we have a definite problem here. You can see an X where the battery is, for starters. But the light on the cable isn't turning orange, as you've already seen. And the fan's really loud as well. I don't like it. It's really loud. It sounds like a helicopter. Okay, let's see what's going on here. We go to the Apple, and go to our settings, and go to About This Mac. And now we can see a little bit more information here. So let's go ahead and click on System Reports, and then Power, on the left hand side here. Oh, there we go. What's going on here? There's no cycle count or battery condition fields. There should be two fields in this table, which are cycle counts and battery condition. And you can see they are missing from my table. This is a big problem. I'm going to go online and have a little checky check, see what I can see. detected. Macbook Pro 2011. That's the one. Okay. Resetting the SMC on a MacBook Pro Air, or MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Retina MacBook with a non-removable battery is easy and done as follows. Okay, simultaneously hold down Shift, Control, Option, and Power. That's my special combo. Someone's had me off. I invented that one. Anyway, so 4 seconds. I do it for 15 seconds. Mine's clearly better. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, so let's have a little click. Okay. Okay, number 1. Verify the MagSafe is plugged in and try a different outlet. Well, I've already, it's plugged in. It's definitely plugged in. And I've tried 2 different cables. Doesn't work on any of them. So let's go down to number 2. Check the MagSafe ports for debris. Okay, let's have, Well, I don't want to unplug it now because it'll switch off. But that's interesting. We'll check the debris in the MagSafe ports. And number 3, reset the SMC. Is this my special move again? Look, this is my special move. I should have patented this. I better shut it down and see what I can do with this. Follow some of these steps here. See if I have any luck. I'll be back with you in a minute. Bit of a stretch. Resetting SMC. 10 seconds. Is that gonna work? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's still got an X. This isn't looking good at all. I might go and get a new DC in board and see if this can fix the problem. Yeah. If I get a new DC in board, that could fix the problem, couldn't it? Yeah, sod it, let's go. Get my keys. Oh, would you look at that? I got a brand new DC in board. And this is the old DC in board. It's in a right bloody state, knackered. The mould has worn away around the pins, so no surprise that wasn't working very well. Okay, let's plug this in and give it a test. There we go. I've just noticed the bloody DC in board. I don't think it's working. The green light's not turning orange. Stupid bloody DC in board. Yeah, I'm sick of the MacBook now, so I've changed computer. Right, yeah, this could be my solution right here. Reset SMC could solve the problem. SMC. More SMC again. Yeah, already done this. That's the bit I replaced. All I can bloody see is SMC. SMC this, SMC that. Change the SMC, press the SMC. I've already bloody run the special move combo. You saw me do it twice. What the bloody hell am I gonna do? I don't want to throw it away. I really don't. I love my MacBook. Well, looks like that concludes the tutorial. I'm really sorry it didn't go as planned. I thought it was in the back of the neck, but no, obviously not. Yeah, if you know any possible fixes for my MacBook, then let me know in the comments section. I'd really love to not throw this thing in the bin. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe.